Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing Anker's MagGo Wireless Charger 2-in-1 stand with adapter and cable. So I got this from Target on clearance for $19.49. This is 70% off of $64.99. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this wireless charger out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the Anker MagGo Wireless Charger 2-in-1 stand with adapter and cable. You can charge two devices simultaneously at once. As you can see, here is the charger. Pretty simple design, modern design. This is for your iPhone and AirPods. This is G2 charger, and this is Anker's ultra fast wireless charging. So this has a 15 watt MagSafe compatible 3-in-1 charging, and it has an adjustable phone charging surface. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. On this side of the box talks about how soy ink is used for the packaging. Nothing on this side of the box. And let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So the back side of the box shows the charger in use. Pretty simplistic, modern design from Anker. So as you can see, this is the choice of 200 million users worldwide, fast charging via leading technology, and a 2-year hassle-free warranty. Here's the specifications of the input, output, and what it contains. This contains the Anker MagGo Wireless Charger, a 40 watt adapter, and a 5-fit USB-C to USB-C cable. This is compatible with the following 15, 14, 13, 12 series, and it is also compatible with the 16 and 17. And here's the barcode. You want to look this up online. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Anker MagGo Wireless Charger. So really love this type of presentation. Really like how they follow Apple with these seals. All we have to do is peel up, and there you go. So another seal that we need to take off. And yeah, so really enjoyed peeling those off. I really like how Anker is following in Apple's direction. Let's go ahead and lift off the box. So I just realized some of the adhesive may stick onto the packaging, like you see here. Let's go ahead and go to the other side and remove more of the adhesive that may stick on. And yeah, so not like Apple that is perfect, but here's the charger nonetheless. And here we have this compartment. Let's go ahead and see what we have inside this compartment. And as I pull out, here you have your user guide. So this is your Anker MagGo Wireless Charger safety sheet. So all the legal information is in there. Here is your 5-fit USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Now you'll connect to your 40 watt power adapter. Let's go ahead and check out this power adapter for $20. That was on clearance at Target. This is a no-brainer that this is a must-have for $20. So here is a closer look at the USB-C power adapter. This is a 40 watt power adapter, and here is a closer look. If you're interested in the specifications that is printed onto the power adapter, and yeah, so here is the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wireless charger. Here you have your Anker branding and your LED indicator lights. That is where you put your phone. If you have a MagSafe case, it will do good. And here you can adjust the stand that to any angle that you want. And here on the bottom side of the stand, here you have your rubber fitting and your USB-C cable. So let's go ahead and connect this up. But before we do, I have this different type of power adapter. This is your 67 watt power adapter. Let's go ahead and see how this is different than the one that came with the wireless charger. I happened to buy this on sale for $30 from Amazon, and I know that this only outputs 15 watts, but you can also use this power adapter, which I plan to use instead of the one that came in with the packaging. So let's go ahead and check this out. And right off the bat, this power adapter is a lot more heavier than the one that came with the charger, but you can charge with USB-A or USB-C. But really love the high quality product that Anker has to offer. So here you have your Anker branding, and yeah, so this is much more heavier than the one that came with the wireless charger that we are unboxing. Here, this also comes with a user manual for this 67 watt power adapter, and here is the diagram on how to charge your devices. And yeah, so let's go ahead and plug this in and see what this is like. So I plugged in the power adapter, and here's the other end of the USB-C plugging into this wireless charger. And let's go ahead and bring out my AirPods Pro 3, and as you can see, it charges right away. So I also have a case, this silicone case. Let's go ahead and see if this charges with the silicone case on. And yeah, and it actually works with a case on. So let's go ahead and take out my iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I have here. You can see the charge level, and let's go ahead and stick it on to this charger, and as you can see, it is definitely charging with this case that I have from OtterBox. You can also rotate it, and it will display your this wallpaper that you see here from Hawaii. Pretty cool feature from Apple. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take this out and see what it looks like on my desk. So here's what it looks like on my desk. Here is a picture of me in Hawaii, and yeah. So there is one more thing. I have a Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and it actually works with Samsung products too. And back to my AirPods Pro 3 that replaced my Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. And here's my iPhone 15 Pro Max again. And yeah, so that will do it for the unboxing of the Anker MagGo wireless charger. If you like this product, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will definitely see you on the next one.